Namaskar, my name is Sarthak Agarwal. I am from 6G. Now, today I will show you the walking water experiment. Now, we need 2 glasses, water, color, spoon and blotting paper. Now, we will put some water in the first glass. Now, we will take some color. Now we have mixed the color in the water. Now we will take out the spoon and we will put the blotting paper in it. Now we will put this for 1 hour and we will see what happened after the 1 hour. Friends, 1 hour back we have put some water in it and put the blotting paper in both glasses. Now as you can see, some water is traveled from this glass to this glass. Now we will see what happened after 12 hours. As you can see, after 12 hours the water level is equal. This happens because of the capillary action. Thanks for watching my video.